Now try to go into the first fighting stance, mabu, and open the fan parallel to the ground. Engage your abs, back and thigh muscles. Mabu and open the fan with a sharp and wide movement, keeping the fan parallel to the ground. Put your left palm on your right forearm for support. Now open the fan the same way and turn your hand palm down. Swipe to the right. Open the fan to the left, close the fan, turn your hand palm down, open the fan to the right, close, turn your hand, swipe to the left. Remember to keep your fan parallel to the ground. Let's do it a few times more. Mabu and swipe. Mabu and swipe. Look at your fan. To the left, to the right. I remind you that the left hand is always on, but it seems to be in standby mode. The left hand is block, protection and distance from others. Now we'll practice gunbu stance with a puncture. Choose your aim and puncture. Your fan starts the movement from the hip. This is the main rule. You close the hip sharply together with the puncture. And again left palm is on your right forearm. Feel your fan and your hip work together as one. You close your hip to go to gunbu stance and do a puncture at the same time. Watch it from another angle. The fan starts the movement from the hip, and you add force, go into gunbu stance. Let's do it a few times more on both legs. Well done! Now let's combine dulibu stance and the baton strike technique. Dulibu and strike from the upper point. Look at your fan. Now dulibu and open the fan. Left hand is above your head for protection. Palm up. Step, dulibu, open the fan. Now you can practice basic stances together with fighting techniques. Mabu, gunbu and dulibu stances together with puncture, strike and swipe. Such practice will be a great foundation on your way with Kung Fu fan.